Hello guys, today I will show you how to self-diagnose your iPhone. If you have iPhone, if the iPhone has installed iOS 17 or higher version, you can do it yourself. You can check the iPhone cameras or the sensors, speakers, the screen, the touch, everything you can check. You can self-diagnose at your home. You need your iPhone and a laptop or desktop. If you don't have, you can use your mobile, but I'm not sure it will work. But try. If is it working, that's fine. Okay guys, this is a website you have to visit. I will put in my description, but somehow this option is not available to my country. This is only available for USA residents. Okay, who live in USA, you can do it, but if you are not living in the USA, you cannot access this function. So I have another solution. You can follow this, so you can do it. Okay guys, so if this is your default browser which you are using for day to day, it will not work even you try to access with a VPN, and you need a brand new web browser. So in my case, I have Microsoft Edge, which I don't use for my any work. So if you don't have, you can download any web browser from the Google, Opera, Firefox, anything, any new browser. Okay, and go to the same website and press enter. So you can see, even I'm trying to use this a web browser, it's same thing. So what you do, you need a VPN, download a VPN. In my case, I use Urban VPN. Okay, you can go to Google and type Urban VPN, and you can download the extension. You can install here and access the USA server. Okay, not any other server, only you have to access this server. Okay, and select the server and press the play button. Okay, once the VPN is connected, you can refresh the page. And you can see now the web page accessible. Okay guys, so now you can press continue and select the device which you want to diagnose. In my case, I will use iPhone. So here you have to enter the iPhone serial number. So the next step is you have to turn off your iPhone. Okay, and wait for 30 seconds, and I will turn off my iPhone, shut down. Okay, and just wait for 30 seconds. I'm doing in my real time this one. I'm not skipping or I'm not pausing in my videos, so you will know how long it will take. So once it's turned off, you have to press volume up, volume down together. Okay, once you press this both button together, then you have to press power on button. Okay, then wait for a few seconds until you see the Apple logo. Okay, so I press volume up and volume down together, then power on button. Okay, you see the Apple logo, and leave the buttons. Wait for a few seconds. Okay guys, once it's turned on, you will see the screen diagnostic and repair. Here you have two options. One, you can select the language which you want. In my case, I will use English only, and you can see the serial number here in the information. Otherwise, if you know already serial number, you can type, but if you don't know, you can check the serial number here. You can see here the serial number. Type the same serial number in the serial number box. And once you type the serial number, you can click start session in the desktop or laptop, and just wait for a while, and you will see now session is started. Then the screen in your mobile, you can select start session, and you have to connect to the Wi-Fi. In this case guys, you have to connect your mobile and your PC or laptop, desktop, it has to be in same Wi-Fi connection. You cannot use two different Wi-Fi connection. You cannot use data. You have to use same Wi-Fi connection. Okay, make sure you connect same Wi-Fi connection. So I will enter my Wi-Fi password and join the network. Once you join to Wi-Fi, it will connect to the Apple support. Just wait and you will see this one, terms and condition. Just press select agree. And you can see here initiating. Just wait for a while until okay. In your PC you can see now so many diagnostic the things, and you can go mobile resources inspector, audio output, I mean speaker testing, display pixel, multi-touch test, face ID, camera image quality. These all tests you can do. I will show you one test here. Begin diagnostic, select. So right now I'm not doing to mobile anything, it's just itself is there. You don't touch anything. You can see now in my mobile is running something in the progress bar. Okay, and if you want to skip the result, you can skip by pressing the skip button. In this test you can check all the sensors whether it's working or not working. This is this testing is good if you are buying a used mobile, or if you have a new mobile but you want to check whether all the hardwares are functional or no. If you have any issue, you can bring to Apple and show them the result. Alright guys, you can see the result here. Everything green, everything fine. I think my all hardware fine. Apple Pay, battery condition, Bluetooth, camera, cellular baseband, display, eSIM, Face ID, MagSafe. You can see everything fine. Wireless charging. If you want to print this result, you simply click print result. You can print here this result. Okay, and so if you want to end the session, you can end it, or if you want to run another test, you can choose another diagnose suite. So you have audio output. In the audio output, if you want to check, you have to remove your phone cover, and it has to free of dirts, anything. In my case I have my cover, so but I will try to test to show you guys. So make sure if you are testing, remove your phone cover. So you can see here, remove any case or cover and ensure that audio parts are free or dust of debris. Disconnect any connected accessories and place the device on the flat surface with the display facing up. Do not move or cover the device while testing in progress. So in my case I don't think so, but let me try. Continue. Continue. So I can hear some sounds. So different sounds I can hear. So did the audio play correctly toward the bottom speaker? Yes. After you click or tap continue, a set of tone will play toward the receiver. So I will click continue. Yeah, did the audio play correctly toward the receiver? Yes. Okay guys, I will press continue. Yes. Okay guys, you can see here audio, sensors, software system, everything done. You can print if you want, or you can run another test. So there are so many testers: display, multi-touch, face ID, camera. So you can do this test yourself and check whether your phone hardware is fine or not. If you want to exit from this test, you have to click power off button. Okay, you can exit, and you can see here 3 dots. If you click there, you can see the history, what you have done, the test, these 2 tests that we have done. You can see this thing, and you cannot do anything. This is just for your information. And if you click end testing, you can end the test. Okay, if you want to exit, you can press the power button, okay, and do the exit. Then the mobile will be reboot, and it will come to normal. It will reboot as a normal. Okay guys, it will go to your home screen.